One of the things, and I talked about it, was the whole issue of the narratives that currently exist. Those narratives tend to focus on historical responsibility for emissions, the unjust transitions that are happening, and these are valid points. But if we're really to shift the game, then we really need to develop a different narrative, a narrative that focuses more on opportunity rather than doomsday scenarios, or seeks to kind of be the victim of the conversation. The truth of the matter is, across the world, we will all need temperature rises to stay below 1.5 degrees, irrespective of where we are. And of course, we must have differentiated approaches to dealing with this, but we all have responsibility. And so when we talk about opportunity, it's really moving the narrative away from, oh, we have to change from a way that we all know did not deliver this for even the developed countries in terms of the carbon footprint of it, but to actually then say, well, we actually stand in a place of opportunity. And I think the first selling point for that is we are not carbon heavy already. In fact, we're very carbon light. And therefore, it's less of a transition and more of a growth trajectory for energy, for industry that is resilient for the future against climate impacts, and therefore is a lower carbon growth. And I even put in the words, the letters ER in low, so that we actually have a sense that this is a mix. And I think beginning to talk about a mix that isn't about stopping or giving up our natural resources, or if you like, stranding or trapping assets that belong to the continent in the ground, but figuring out a mix that will work and deliver this green growth for Ghana, for the continent, in a way that is not trapped in a perception that we are losing when actually what we are sitting on is opportunity.